Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to start automating your workflows in Smartsheet, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up basic automations, saving yourself a ton of manual work and bringing more efficiency to your spreadsheets. Trust me, once you see how these automations work, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. So let's get right into it. First, let's open up your Smartsheet project. If you look at the top of your screen, just beside where it says File, you'll see the Automations tab. This is your main control center whenever you want to make your Smartsheet do something automatically, whether that's sending out notifications, updating rows, or alerting your teammates. Go ahead and click on Automations, and you'll notice a few different options pop up. You can create from template, create from scratch, or manage automation workflows. If you ever feel a bit unsure as you're exploring, just hover over these options for a quick description. They're pretty friendly and intuitive. For today, let's dive into Manage Automation Workflows. Give that a click. Now here, where things get exciting, this is your automation dashboard. Think of it as your command board where all the blueprints for your automations live. Here you'll see a list of every automation workflow set up for your sheet. If you haven't created any yet, don't worry. This space will fill up pretty quickly once you start experimenting. Let's focus in on an existing workflow so you can see all the moving parts. Look over to the right side of one of your workflows and you'll notice 3 stacked dots. These are the More options. Clicking on these dots is a bit like opening up a toolbox. You can deactivate a workflow, turning it off without deleting. Run it right now to see what happens. Test it to make sure you've set it up correctly. Edit the details, duplicate it if you want a similar automation, or delete it if it's no longer useful. Let's try editing a workflow together. Click Edit from that menu. This takes you into the main structure of the automation here, where you see the real power of Smartsheet automation. For example, you might see a workflow designed to alert someone when specified criteria are met. That means maybe when a certain column changes to complete, Smartsheet automatically sends an alert to your teammate. No need for you to manually follow up. You'll see the trigger at the top, which is what kicks off the workflow. Below that, choose Alert Someone and select who gets the notification. You can even customize the message that's sent, making it clear and useful for the recipient. The notification is sent via Smartsheet's automation engine, so everything runs in the background once it's set up. When you're happy with your settings, just click Save. Don't worry if you need to tweak things later, you can always come back and edit. If you're totally new to automations, here's a little tip. Start with Create from Template instead of building from scratch. Smartsheet has a bunch of ready-made automation templates designed for common tasks, like sending reminders, tracking changes, or alerting team members. It's like using a recipe when you're learning to cook, and it can really speed up your learning curve. And that's it. You've now seen not only how to find and manage your automations, but how to edit and customize them to make your workflow smarter. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there are other Smartsheet tricks you want to learn. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.